Now I hope by this time what is the meaning of slice operator, basic idea everyone got. Now let me go for a small application area where we can use slice operator, right? Just observe. I'm taking S is equal to Durga. This is my string, sir. My requirement is I want output as, I want to convert this string as durga, like this I want to take. Are you getting? I want to consider this one as durga. Like what it means is, can you please convert first letter into uppercase and then remaining as it is you can take. Are you getting? Remaining as it is you can take, like this, right? How you can do that? Very, very simple, sir. Output is equal to, sir, I want to get the first character. How you can access first character of the string? Respond. How you can access first character of the string? S of 0. S of 0 is the first character. I want to convert this first character to uppercase. I want to convert this first character to uppercase. Oh, small d will become capital D. And then what is the remaining I have to take? So the remaining from one index to, from one index until end, you have to take as it is. You require to take as it is. So plus, okay, plus operator we can use between two strings. So this is the first string D, capital D, plus remaining. How to represent remaining part? How you can represent remaining part? So it is the piece, it is the slice. So S of starts from one index to end. That's why S of 1 colon end, like this, right? Okay. Now print of output, sir. Print output I'm taking. So what is the output we are going to get, sir? Do you know? Our expected D capital and then Durga. So if you are perfect with the slice operator, you can play the games like anything with the string, sir. But I want from one index to end of the thing I want to consider as it is first character converting into uppercase. Let me consider, let me execute this code. Have a look once, sir. My requirement is, sir, observe carefully. Here S is equal to Durga, like this I have. Sir, output is equal to first character S of 0 convert into upper. Sir, we require to use upper method. Some people may ask, sir, what this method is doing? What this method is doing? In the string concept I will discuss in detail. Yes, we are converting this string into uppercase. That's all. Sir, next plus, okay, S of 1 from 1th index onwards remaining, sir. From 1th index onwards remaining. Sir, have you observed? S of 0 means D. Sir, upper means capital D we are getting. Okay, plus S of 1 to end of the string. 1th index means U onwards until end. URGA you are going to get. That's all. So if I print output, what is the answer we are going to get, sir? Print output. What answer we are going to get is, have a look once, sir. Py test.py. Have you observed? Durga, is the first letter is the uppercase or not? Yes, first letter is the uppercase. Okay, now need not be Durga, sir. I'm taking durgasoft. Yes, anything, sir, anything. The output is always first letter will be uppercase, remaining are as it is going to consider. Okay, like. Sir, same way, sometimes my requirement is, observe very carefully, sometimes my requirement is, I want this style, DURG capital A I want. What is the meaning of that? Last character I want to make as uppercase. Last character I want to consider as uppercase, right? Now, what we have to take is output is equal to, so from beginning to last but one character. Sir, last but one character, take very special care. DURGA is there. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the range? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, next. What is the length of this string? What is the length, sir? Length of s is equal to 5. 5, sir. Length of s is equal to 5. Sir, I want this one up to this except last character I want to consider. How you can use slice operator, sir? S of 0 to 4 we have to take. Do you know 0 to 4? What is the reason for that? Begin to n minus 1. N minus 1 means 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 means 3. 0 to 3 like we have to consider. Are you getting? So it is going to consider Ratan DURG. Okay, S of 0, 4. But I don't want to hard code these 3 or 4. Okay, this 4 how you are getting is 0 to length of s minus 1. Length of s is what? 5. 5 minus 1 means 4. 0 to 4. 0 to 4 because I want to use this approach for any string. Need not be Durga. That's why. Okay. So first get total string except the last character means this is. So output is equal to s of 0 to length of s minus 1. Okay. Sir, can I remove this 0? Yes. Because default value for begin index is 0 only. If you want, you can remove, no problem at all. Sir, plus. Okay. Except the last character, we are getting everything. How to access last character? Are you getting how to access last character? Bas, Python provide support for positive index and negative index, more flexibility to the programmer. Last character, if you want to access, s of minus 1. Have you remembered, right? In the last videos I covered s of minus 1 dot sir upper like. So please consider total string except last character, and then what you require to take, sir? Take last character, convert into uppercase. Now this type of style we are going to get. So I want a string, the output where last character should be converted into uppercase. Okay, like let me consider. Have a look once, sir. Please guide. Last character should be uppercase. Last character should be uppercase, right? Durga. What I'm trying to take? So s of 0 to length of s minus 1. Length of s minus 1. Okay. So every character we are going to get except last character plus s of minus 1 last character, s of minus 1 last character, convert into upper. Print of output. What output you are going to get, sir? Can you please observe? DURG followed by a we are going to get. DURG followed by a we are getting, sir. Okay, well. Now I have one small doubt. Need not be Durga, sir. Yes, you can take Durga software solutions like. No issue at all. Acceptable. Same output we are going to get or not. Can you please observe? Total is as usual, but last character should be converted into uppercase. Yeah. How beautiful this is. Are you able to understand, right? Small application with the slice operator with the negative index we can able to do that. Now my next question. Listen carefully, sir. My next requirement is, observe that. Sir, the given string is Durga. Now, first character, can you please convert into uppercase? URG, okay? Last character, can you please convert into uppercase? Are you getting? First character, we require to convert into uppercase. Last character, we have to convert into uppercase. What is the way, sir? Very simple. Output is equal to read the first character, convert into uppercase. S of 0 dot upper. Okay. Read first character, convert into uppercase. Okay. Next, from 1, so DURGA. Now from 1th to last but 1. From 1th index to last but 1. Can you please read as it is? Okay, plus what I have to take here is s of 1th index to last but 1, length of s minus 1. So only first character, second character, one index character to last but one. Okay, well, second one last. Now I have to consider last character. How you can read last character? Just how I told. Have you remembered, right? Yes, of minus 1 dot upper, like. Observe this. This is the first character. This is the last character. Okay. Now the remaining characters we can read by using this slice operator. Okay, well. Now print of output. Yes, first character should be in the uppercase, last character should be in the uppercase. Remaining characters are as it is we are going to get. Have a look once. Observe carefully, sir. Here I want to write again. Sir, here just the Durga only I am taking, sir. First character S of 0 dot upper, converting into upper. Next, sir, second character onwards means 1th index onwards. Last but 1. Last but 1 means length of S minus 1. Okay. Plus last characters are S of minus 1 dot upper. That's it. Wow. Beautiful, sir. Observe. Sir, this is, if you can able to understand this syntax, nothing will be there, sir. Okay. Read first character and converting into upper. Read last character, converting into upper. In the middle, the remaining characters can you please take as it is. Okay, like. Now, observe. Let me consider. So, first character is in uppercase, last character is in uppercase. Okay, well. Suppose need not be Durga, sir. It may be durgasoft. It may be durgasoft. Now, have a look once. So first character uppercase, last character uppercase, right? Sir, need not be durgasoft. Durga software. Now observe, first one uppercase, last one uppercase. E uppercase, next D uppercase, right? Not DS, solutions also I'm taking. So D uppercase, S uppercase. D uppercase, S uppercase. D itself is uppercase, S itself is uppercase, right? Okay, that's all. This is what you people should aware how you can use slice operator, how you can use index. Maybe you may have such type of things, but in string concept almost around 20 applications we are going to discuss. There we will have clear clarity about these API methods, right? Don't worry at all. Clear for all of you right up to this?